just going for the hike. Gonna hike up to see what's up there. Even though I don't want to take my car up there. Doesn't mean I don't want to go up there myself. You see this road right here? This is for overlanding vehicles only. Why? Because all this shit might fall through at any time, and you need a crew and gear to be able to handle that situation. So, overlanding vehicles only. Look at what we found. Our first waterfall. And this is just by the side of the road. We found our first waterfall!